Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got some great questions from my last video when I taught you how to create pins using Canva. And some of those questions involved certain text modifications and searching for additional templates on Canva. So I wanted to address that second question about how to go about finding different templates. So depending on what you are trying to create in Canva, you have an endless amount of options, really. So whenever I went in to create the Pinterest graphic, I showed you where you could find certain templates. I'm going to show you that again, and I'm going to show you one more option that you can use if you're stuck on what you want to create and you don't want to create something completely from scratch. So this is my main page. You'll see some of my other designs here, lots of different things going on. But when you get to kind of like this hub, you want to click Create a Design. And let's just go back to Pinterest. If you're creating a Pinterest graphic, I can also show you some other ones, but let's just say you're creating another Pinterest graphic and you don't want to fully customize something. You want a pre-designed template. So like I showed you in the Pinterest video, you can browse what they have here in their layout to find something that you think would fit whatever it is that you want to create. So they have so many different options. I mean, really, you could just keep scrolling for hours to see what they have to offer. There really is something for everyone. You can customize right down to the colors here. So if you're pulling this one up, for example, not only can you click to customize the text, you can completely change the font that they have here in the text. So I'll just highlight this here and we can change that to something else. I really like a font called Sunday. I use that often in my Pinterest graphics. I also like to use, I know that there's the website here, but just for the sake of showing you how to do this, we're just going to skip over that. I also like to use some of the custom fonts that I have. This Frutilla script is one of my favorites as well. I don't want that to be all uppercase, so I'm going to go up here and turn that off and then enlarge that a little bit. And then you'll see it automatically enlarge the box here. Now, this spacing is too spread out for me. So I'm also going to go into this spacing button and change that until it's the effect that I want. And then I'm also going to resize this here. A little too small. And then resize this as well. And then I'm try to highlight this website back here if I can grab onto it. Almost there. Just so you can get an idea. Okay, so let's move this again back down here. And then you can even go in and change the color. So they have this as a pink color right now. Maybe I want it to complement some of the other colors a little bit better, or just completely make it my own. So that's how you can take a pre-designed template and fully customize it. You can even go in and change this photo if you really want to, but it makes it really nice and simple and easy to use. The other option, if you don't want to use one of the layouts here, we're going to go back to Canva. And we're going to go over to this left-handed navigation bar and click on Find Template. I don't use this very often because, like I said, I really like to customize things on my own, but there are even more options than when you go to this page, for example. So you'll see all these options here, but then when you go to the Find Templates option, I feel like there's just even more to choose from. So from planners, I have used this option before to make some daily planners as freebies. There are also, I mean, there's just so much on here. So you can really, let's just go into planners so you can see what that looks like. And then you have all of your options there. So if that is still not what you're looking for, based on the categories that they have outlined here, you can select Browse Templates, and that will come up with a whole big long list of pre-designed layouts. And then the third thing you can do from there is you can search in their search bar, and anything that's in their catalog will come up. If you know people who design on Canva, specifically as like pre-designed layout templates, you can take a look at their designs and see what they have as well. So let me think, what do I want to create? Let's just see what they have as far as a Pinterest graphic on here. So a lot of the same ones that come up when you are opening up a new Pinterest blank canvas will come up here. But I mean, you'll see there are just hundreds of options to choose from for each category. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any additional questions, as always, please let me know, and I can make a tutorial on that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you